Do you need technical experience to earn an AI certification? The answer is absolutely not, unless you want a technical AI certification. So listen, there are different aspects of AI. When we think about the AI that most business professionals are talking about and that you hear, that's about using AI in your daily work. This requires absolutely no technical knowledge. If, on the other hand, you're a programmer or an engineer and you want to learn how to actually code and build AI, yes, you would be then looking at technical training. But most business professionals need zero point zero technical knowledge to become efficient, productive, and effective AI users. Most AI tools, even when you hear about things like AI agents and AI code builders, even those have become so user-friendly that you don't need to understand coding or technical stuff in order to use them. To be honest with you, I was recently trying to code something into my site. I know absolutely nothing about web coding or web programming, but I was able to use AI to generate code that I then tested and implemented on my site with absolutely zero technical knowledge. Practical AI usage for most business professionals does not require coding or data science experience. What it does require is the ability to apply AI to real business use cases and scenarios and make sure that you're actually applying what you're learning. Different certifications provide different starting points for different skill levels. So you'll want to evaluate the certifications you're looking at to see what's actually right for you. What you need to actually be good as an AI user, so the skills to be an effective AI user, are not coding and programming. Some of the skills you'll want to start developing to be a great AI user are things like, one, an experimentation mindset. Get excited to try different things with AI and experiment. A great way to build AI muscles is through practicing. Also, look to develop structured skills like things like prompting. Well, it can be easy to ask AI a question, and a lot of people will say, prompting is less important. The truth is, if you don't give AI the right information in the right way, you'll never get good results. And this will be true no matter how good AI gets, because it can't guess the background information, right? It can't guess the information it needs to do a task well. So learning what it needs and how to give it the right information at the right level in the right way is a really important skill. And that's essentially what prompting is. It's like training employees. There's some people who are really good at training employees because they know how to explain things well at the right level. Other people are just like, go make some social media posts, and it doesn't work so well. So you'll need those kinds of skills in prompting to be effective. You also need to be able to understand and break down workflows and tasks. AI often works better when you break a task down instead of giving it one big task. For example, instead of write me an email, start with, let's work together to define a clear goal, then a clear communication point, then maybe a headline, then the main idea, then the flow, then the structure. By breaking tasks and workflows down, you're able to get much more tailored results that actually work better for your objectives. You also need to learn how to choose the right tools. There are different AI tools that have different strengths and weaknesses, and in some cases, you may even need a specialized tool. Choose the right tool for the right use case. You'll also need to be able to choose the right AI function. When we look at most of the major AI tools, they have so much more than chat available to them. For example, there's projects, there's skills, there may be custom AIs, agents, coworkers, all these different functions within an AI tool that you can use. Knowing how they work and what to use when is really vital if you really want to upskill your AI usage and be effective. And then you also need to be able to critically evaluate outputs as well as coach and refine those outputs. So as you think about the skills needed to be successful with AI, you probably noticed none of these are technical skills. If you're looking to evaluate a certification for technical requirements, what you should look at is things like, what tools are they using? And does it work with the AI tools that you're using? Or is it only applicable if you use, let's say, Claude or Gemini or Copilot? Ideally, you want something that works across tools because all of these tools essentially work similarly at this point. Also, look at if it's covering coding. If it's covering coding and you're not in a technical role, that's a really big alarm bell that it's probably not the right fit for you. And then also look at how they promote it. Is there a lot of technical jargon, or is it pretty accessible? These are the things that will help you to understand how technical a certification is and if it's the right fit for you. If you're not in a technical role and just a user, you absolutely do not need technical experience, nor should you choose AI training that focuses on it.